Since millions of years, there is a real love story between flowers and pollinators. But this love story could end up vastly in cause the pollution. A pollinator is helping to the reproduction of plants and flowers. It takes the male seeds and puts it on the female flowers. Without them, the wind made a little bit of his work, but he is really indistinct and the result is really not guaranteed. To replace their work by humans shall cost more than 2,000 billion a year. Already in some regions of China, women are obligated to pollinate by hand. For our life, pollinators are absolutely essential. Contrary to popular belief, bees aren't the only insect we can pollinate. In fact, 95% of insects can pollinate. Ants, wasps, bumblebees and many others can pollinate too. Today, we estimate that more than 40% of worldwide production and 80% of plants and flowers depend on them. Without their work, you can say goodbye to coffee, cocoa, spices, every fruit, every vegetables and cereals that is 3/4 of the agricultural production. So, what will he remain to us? The chemical pollution, in particular this from pesticides and insecticides, is massive. Bees collect and feed the pollen they find on a plant. But bees can take the pollen in an agricultural field. So, here is the problem. The agricultural fields are without stop submitted to treatments were extremely harmful for bees and for many other hymenoptera. If a bee ingested, she dies without having the time to return to her hive. But if she reaches her hive, pesticides and insecticides can contaminate a whole hive or still find itself in the jar of honey which you put every morning on your sandwiches. That's why today, and I'm sad to say that, a honeyware product on the roof of buildings in full city center is more brisk than a honey of countrysides. Now, pesticides impact more than polluted air. Another type of pollution touches hive too, the globalization. Let's take us the example of the Asian hornets. As its name suggests, he comes from Asia. It was imported when buying swarms and hives in Asia. Once arrived, he multiplied and formed from now a real problem to bees. They are 8 times as big as they, and 30 hornets are enough to destroy a full hive in 1 hour. It's the same process for the first cause of death in a hive, the varroa destructor. Today, it's absolutely essential to protect our bees. To find another alternative in pesticides becomes essential. We should stop importing what we can have by our own way just for a valuable question. If the bee came to disappear, the man will be no more than 4 years to be lived. In a decade, 40% of the colonies have been destroyed. We do not realize enough the impact of this disappearance, but everything is a question of year.